Hello everybody, my name is Jeremy Eck with the Boat House Group. Today we're at the Boat House of Naples. We're on the 2025 Solace 30 HCS. What I believe is an absolutely perfect boat for the Southwest Florida waterways. This boat is powered by twin V10 Mercury 350s and just has a lot of amazing features for us in our local waterways. It's got a shallow enough draft if you're looking to get into some of the backwaters, go to the beaches, restaurants, and be able to explore around our intercoastal waterways, as well as a deep enough V and a very comfortable ride if you want to go out into those offshore waters to do some offshore fishing, travel into the Keys, wherever the case may be. So hop on board and check out what we have to offer. As we start here in the transom of the boat, one thing I like to point out is this rear flip seat. You can either sit facing the aft if you're hanging out at the beach or island around, just gives you an amazing view off the stern of the boat. And then once you're getting underway, push that the opposite direction and now you're seated facing forward. One thing you'll notice on this boat for 2025 is this all white interior for Solace. It's a very beautiful interior, really just finishes off the colorways of this boat. Just a lot of really nice touches with that white interior. Underneath both these rear seats, you're gonna have your live wells. So two separate lids access your live wells down below. And again, all of your cushions, all on magnets, they will pop right off if you are looking to fish the boat hard and don't want your seats in the back. Flipping around forward, we're gonna have a nice little prep center here with the sink, cutting boards, as well as your frigid rigid cooler underneath. In the floors, we have nice large insulated fish boxes. They're nice insulated, sealed off, and then have your gulper drains when you're cleaning them out at the end of the day. Come up here to the cockpit. We're gonna have dual 16-inch Garmins. Again, a power windshield on all of the Solace models. Makes them very, very nice and comfortable for those long days on the water. Whether if you wanna open it up just to get some wind flow, nighttime boating, better visibility, or if you're just communicating as you're idling around. You've got your VHF radios on board, joystick controls, all of your digital switching. Everything is very, very nicely acquainted here at the helm. Moving forward a little bit further, we'll step down below into the cabin. On a 30-foot hybrid, you don't see many boats in this class with a forward berth inside of there. It's a nice, comfortable berth and access to all of your wiring and electrical down there. Additional cubbies for storage. A lot of room in a 30-foot class boat. As we're moving further forward, you're going to notice storage on both the port and starboard gunnel sides. Over here, we've got your tackle storage, as well as on the starboard side, we're going to have the pull-out trash can. Again, a lot of nice, small, subtle features for that storage on the boat. Nice large chase lounger for two. And we also have the full wraparound seating up in the bow. Again, all your cushions, all on magnets, so they will pull right off, as well as you have storage underneath all those storage compartments. One thing you'll notice on this 30 is the gunnel height. It's about mid-quad up here at the front of the boat on me. So this is what they consider their HCS, their hybrid. So what that does is gives you that deep V offshore bottom up in the front for that comfortable ride, but without going too high of a gunnel side like a full offshore boat. What that does is gives us better fishability in the backwaters if you're casting, as well as if you're going and beaching the boat. It's not as high of a bow to be able to get on and off at the beach. Then moving up further forward, we've got your anchor locker in here, dedicated fender storage on both the port and starboard side of that windlass. Nice deep drop for your windlass line. Makes it so you're not having to untangle rope, a nice big area for that anchor line to fall into. This is just a quick walk around video on this 2025 Solace 30 HCS that we just received. So please come by the dealership and come check it out. Again, it's here at the Boat House of Naples. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to any one of us, stop by any of our stores, or visit us on our website at www.boathouseh2o.com. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in the water.